This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to very first session of the Python scripting and programming knowledge. And especially here, this training is not only core Python, advanced Python, simply complete automation. Programming means core and advanced. So the next one is your 25 modules. We have a 25 modules are there. So there is no hurry, sir. We have a valuable 75 hours, 75 to 80 hours content is available. I'm going to start from completely zero. We don't know even a single line in this Python. From there, I'm going to start. I'm promising you, definitely you will write any type of logic. Really, before Python, people will suggest us when we new to IT, C language is mandatory, right? So now, even see if you have the C knowledge, it's a great thing. Even though if you are completely new, yes, the first suggested programming language is Python. If anyone saying to you Python is a programming knowledge, no, that is completely 100% wrong answer. So, perfect definition you can see in the line number 4. Python is a scripting and programming knowledge. What is the difference? That is secondary. So two things you have to consider before following this one. Yes, one element regular participation. It is for live. Whether your belongs to morning batch or evening batch, link is same and same topic will run in the morning session and evening session. And second point is up to 40 to 45 sessions, I will provide to you assignments. You have to follow that. So before from where this Python programming or scripting language came? There is a one guy is there from Netherlands, Ludo van Rossum. He's a one technical guy. He's the actual inventor of the Python. In 1991, he introduced official, actually, which was developed in 1989 only, but first release came in 1991. First time. We think Python is a like a snake name. No, there is a one serial name is there. 1 second. The serial name is the complete Monty Python Circles. It's a one comedy show which was broadcasted in BBC channel around 1980, 70, 80, 80, 80 around 70 to 80 around. There was a comedy show was telecasted by BBC channel. From this comedy show, you pick up the Python keyword. Python keyword. And he was developed this Python. Really, this Python like simply collected so many features from C language. There are some languages are available. C++, shell script in the Linux environment. Shell script is there. And one more thing also there. Advanced that is a model 3. Module 3. Module 3 is a one more few programming knowledge. See, these are the some languages are there. Okay, 1 second. I'm not talking about the Python at this point. Just this theory concept is important. Yes, the person Python was introduced in 1991. Official date is February 20th. February 20th, 1991. This is the date of birth of the Python. Invented by Udo van Rossum. Udo van Rossum. This is a guy introduced this one. And what is the where these name came? The TV serial name in BBC channel around 1970. This is 77, 69, 70 that area. Complete Monty Python's Circle. It's a comedy show. Comedy show. From that comedy show, he pick up the name of the. He's developed one language. From ABC, so many names, old names are there. But this, whatever that one, this is a. Even if you go to the certification point, also these points are important. Python certification. And Rossum did a long work on this one. Especially, he collected C language is there, sir. For example, from C language, he collected it's a processor language. I mean, functions concept is collected from here. Function, some element, and come to C++, one more element. From Java, one more element. From another one, like that. See, I'm going to explain to you. From C language, he selected functions. We don't know what is the future of what is the function. Just I'm saying to you some names. And from C++ is one more programming language is there. Here, objects concept we pick up. Generally, we will call OOPS, object-oriented programming languages. And this is the one you need to observe. Scripting languages. In the lineage, there is a Bashel. Bashel is one there. Bashel. Bashel from the scripting concept. And data science, AI, machine learning, that is model technology purpose. The new technologies. Module 3 is a one new technology is there. That type. So different features he abstracted into Python and they released like first version Python 1.0. So your Python inherited means taken so many features like functional programming from C language, objects, we don't know even object function scripting. And just giving to you before a movie, we have who is a director, who is a producer, hero, heroine. That information we will see first 1 minute in 2 minutes. That information you are seeing now. So Python taken so many features from other languages. And one more point is where we can use it. Okay, Python software is there, some version came. Okay, definitely version to versions features are enhanced. Adding new features, then they will release minor or major version. Now presently version 3.11.3 is running. We will see that version area. So where we can use this Python? Okay, if I am learning, where I can use this one? Your target is, listen, you are a fresher, already you are joined here, sir. I'm very clearly saying that one. If you are a fresher, you can enjoy it. Why? Because we are going to see from zero how the unknown subject we can learn by the real-time example. You are a fresher, you can learn it happily, no doubt. So my point is where we can use it. You can develop the web applications by using Python and Django, another framework. But before that one, Python is mandatory. And desktop applications like Tkinter is a one module is there. I'm giving the reason also. And cloud environment, your belongs to DevOps, Azure, or AWS, automation purpose. If you are a networking people, If today you are learning for Python, you are a fresher or experienced candidate, but your target is upcoming days, data science. Data science is there. Yes, just the mathematics, add the mathematics to your Python assembly, statistics or AI. Even new language is coming very shortly, Mojos, which is also related to Python only. Now it is a mandatory component. Even if you want to connect the databases, even if you want to connect any application, simply I'm writing APIs, like whatever the Boto 3 or CX underscore Archil or anything API. You can use anywhere. We can write a big list also. Data analytics, developing the games, AI, IoT. See, Python was used from the day one by the Google, even YouTube and Google internally using the Python only, especially NASA. Yes, one thing why the Python is famous, simple word. Okay, all other languages is also there. Now, why we have to come to here? So the futures, whatever I am selecting on my screen, these we can achieve by Java is there, .NET is there. We heard some names, but why this is famous? The simple reason is so many ready-made modules are available, sir. I'm introducing a word first time, module. Very first time I'm using module. Almost 1.5 lakh modules are readily available in the Python. Just a matter of we are learning 25 inside of that one. But if you know only 5, you can work with any module. Generally, module concept is ignored by everyone. No one will jump inside of that module concept. Module is nothing but collection of programs simply or scripts. Someone already written that code. Today, your requirement is something. You want to add two numbers, for example. You want to add two numbers. The requirement already required for someone and written that code also. That code already written by someone. Today you are coming to here to learn the Python course, but already your requirement already written by someone in the form of modules. Already someone is written. That is matter of adding two numbers or connecting the database or creation of APIs. Don't need any manual work. Readily available, just to use it. Readily available, just to use it. Hardly we have a 17 to 18 syntaxes are available, sir. They are very simplest one. Then we can say we are expert. Why Python is famous? Huh? One simple word I will say, I will explain to you. One is a modules. Huge collection of modules are available. Module means collection of programs written by Python people for common uses. Common use for all the members. And one more thing, Python is a high level programming, high level and general programming language. Sir, what is high level? High level means general English, sir. If you know the how your English is, there come and go, sit. High level means we can easily understand. Low level means zeros and ones. We cannot understand. High level, we can easily understand. High level means that is not like up on the sky. High level means general English you are. Your general English your Python program. So that's why learning is very easy. Very easy about this one. And it is a free one. It's a free one. Free one. No need to purchase any license. If you go to the python.org organization, you can download the latest software. Free one, open source. Open source means anyone can use it. Anyone can modify that code. So for example, actually, first Unix is there, sir. From Unix only, Red Hat Linux came, Ubuntu came, Debian came, or OEL came. How these all are coming? Still only we have a Unix. What about these flavors? Unix is free. Same features are added and some extra features. Red Hat Linux came, Ubuntu, Debian. Unix is free, that's why they are using that one. They developed their own product, Red Hat Linux, Arch Linux. Same way, Python is free, developed by, and Python is free. Java people selected that one. And they are developed the Python, JPython they are calling. Simply. JPython. I mean interpreter point. I will come to that point. Yes, it is a open source. Anyone can take the code and modify the code. It's a free one. Free one, open source. Free one means no need to pay any amount. Open source means anyone can modify anyone can take the code. It is very, very simple to learn. First point, your general English only, right? I will write some points here. First one, it is a easy to learn. Next, free one, free software, and open source. Free means no license is required. And next one, open source means anyone can download and modify that versional code. Next one, very important point, it is a platform independent. Try to understand this one. Platform independent. Sir, this is your Windows machine. And here you have a Linux machine, here you have a Mac. M for Mac, L for Linux. You are writing one Python program on this file. You have written this code on Windows machine. Without single line modification, you can bring this code and run here. It will work. And here also it will work. So platform independent means write only one time. It can run on any platform without rewriting even a single line. To understand this one, there is a one concept we need to understand PVM, Python virtual machine. But we are today only are starting. Simply I am talking about line number 17. As of now, you know only Windows machine, Windows 10 or 11. But not only one operating system, OS, Windows OS. No, we have other operating systems also there, like Ubuntu, Debian, Red Hat Linux, Mac OS. So write on any platform and execute on anywhere. And it is very portable. Portable. You can programs can be portable. You can easily what we will call migrate to one platform to another platform. Simply that is a meaning. So futures are, we can discuss the futures even half an hour. But when we good at the subject, when we good at our automation based on your requirement, remaining things are secondary. But one thing you have to remember before entering, Python is famous. The reason is so many ready-made modules are there. For example, I will ask the same question. How many modules are available in the Python? Yes. How many modules are available? Is there any answer from there? I will search in another way.
Yeah, it
Total
was coming,
count
yeah, the
of
sixth module.
35 modules, I think.
one second. Total count of the modules in the Python. By not by default, every 1.25 lakhs or 1.5 almost before this one. Hmm. Some count I want to get. Otherwise, we will go to the official website. Otherwise, we will go to the official website www.python.org. It's an organization. It is a simply one organization. Is there any okay, documentation is a one element. So all these are the releases. No, my question is how many modules up to today? I want
I
to get
think
that.
so. It's like 100 to 200 models.
No, 1.5 lakhs is there, sir, as of now. I mean, in our machine, you are correct. Total count of the Python modules in the Python org. We are not giving the proper question. And it's of thousands of no. This is just some statement is giving common statement. No, collection of no modules in Python. I'm asking in different way. It is trying to give existing modules in my machine. So these are the modules names, different languages. Okay, just I will expand any one of the document. Why? Because directly we are not getting. Okay, creation of the module is there. Okay, let it be. So by default from last session, there is a one website displayed 1,25,000
Hello,
is there. Yes, sir.
uh, Naga this side Kapil. When I'm searching for the module, it is also searching for the libraries. When it is searching for libraries, it says around 1,37,000 libraries
1,70,000,
and
right?
35, 37. Sorry, 1,37,000.
Okay. So this library is just above the modules, and there is nothing. Collection of modules is a library. So comparing, this
Okay.
is a change. Change 1.25. I remembered before 6 to 7 months ago, and now it's a 1.37. 1.37 lakhs is there. Around 1.3 lakhs are there. I mean 1.3 lakhs all are we have to learn. No, that is depends on your requirement. Which model is suitable? Some people will work on Excel sheet. Some people will work on Microsoft product. So total these much of modules are there. To understand this module, very clearly I am saying this word, in your total 75 to 80 hours are very strictly 80 hours content it is. And from now 3 month journey. From now 3 month journey. So the 35 sessions will decide us how much we are good at every module. Without attending 35 sessions, if I try to explain for OS module, I will explain OS module, only OS module I will explain 1 week. OS module. But to understand the OS module, lot of components are required. Today, I am completely zero. I am a fresher. I am a non-IT guy. I have a good at my technology, but I am completely zero in the Python. Your query is anything. Your query is anything. Sir, it is very simple. Your general English only. General English only. Hardly 17 syntaxes are available. 17 syntaxes. If you are writing a 30 lines of code, for example, that is the biggest script in the Python. Maximum 4 to 5 lines. Okay, we will write the big scripts, But when we create small components all together as a big script. So not only 1 day, 1 hour subject, sir. Definitely, it will very helpful to you in your IT career. That is my guarantee. Okay, Python having so many futures is the best one. I'm saying something like, okay, then how to start the journey? Where I can execute? Yes, to practice lab setup simply. We are going to see two environments around how to work on Windows environment. You are using Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, 10 or 11. And next one, we are also going to see the same thing on the Linux environment. Which means I'm not insisting you to learn the Linux. No, not required. Very basic commands are required in the Linux, 5 to 6 commands. But Python is required. How the Python is working on Windows and Linux. So minimum 2 GB, even 1 GB also fine. 2 GB RAM is enough. Any one of the Windows operating system, your server machine or client machine. Mostly we have, I feel 10 or 11 we have. Windows 10 or Windows 11. Then how to download the software? Simple. Today we are going to see the lab setup. Sir, we don't know anything. Just we are doing the lab setup. Then after Linux secondary. Secondary means after 2 to 3 sessions. Then how to start the Python journey? Before that one, I am saying to Python, I am completely zero in the Python. I'm saying the statement Python, I am completely zero. I don't know even single line. How to start? First, come to the official website python.org. I am sending this URL in the chat box. There is a download tab is there. About downloads tab is there. Directly readily available. Download Python 3.11.3. Just to download it. Okay, before this one, just see some information about the, okay, while downloading that one, see this one. So who is the technical mind behind this technology? Go to Windows. Yes, first release 0.9.0 released in 1991. Delivered from first name ABC, C language, C++, first named as ABC, then after written as Python. So is a one comedy show is there now. The complete Monty Python flying circle. Even we written circus only. It's circle or something we written flying circus. Better to rename that one. Interview point it is important. Flying circus. Not circle, circus. This is a serial name. From there only he selected this word. And renamed after Python. Yes. Simple. Next, if you go to the next screen, simple information. So Netherlands guy, it's open source. Consider a scripting language. Caesar, this is a word. Really, programming knowledge. If again I'm saying the same statement, programming knowledge. If anyone says that is wrong, Why? Because just I am seeing explaining one word. If you're writing one Python program, which is the output you are seeing on your laptop, internally two steps it should follow. One is a compiler to interpreter. Two steps are there: compiler and interpreter. I'm trying just to overview only. I'm saying that one. Compiler time it is a programming language. Interpreter time is a scripting language. But what is a programming language? What is a scripting language? Still, that are the pending questions for us. Scripting means line by line it will execute. Sir. Execution style time I will explain you detail. But this is the point. Consider Python is a scripting language, but it is not only that one. More than that. Why? Because they added objects concept, object oriented and function concept added. So day by day it was popular. Still it is popular only, there is no doubt. And one biggest issue I will explain to you. Now presently 3.3.x version is running, sir. 3.x means that is 11.2 something. Minor version is different. Before that one 2.x also there. Starting one 1.x started with 0.9. Okay, this 0.9 we cannot consider. Started point 1.0 version, Robo 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, like that, three versions are there. This time we don't know that we are just kids in that time. 2.x is our latest one. The supporting ended in 2020 only. Python very clearly said in 2017-18 time we are introducing new version 3.x, which does not support any backward compatibility. Listen carefully. Python very clearly said we are going to bring a new version 3.x. For example, if you are learning 2.x before 2020, that is completely different to 3.x, and you cannot run 2.x programs in the 3.x. Maybe here you get one question. Sir, today we are learning the 3.x. Tomorrow, maybe there is a chance to 4.x. No. My Python very clearly announced there is no new version. These 3.x, whatever we are going to learn, that are the fixed version, fixed syntaxes. Upgrades will come. 3.x area, 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 3.11.1, 3.11.2. These minor updates will come. But major version is fixed. Major version is fixed. So you don't worry, just invest your time only one time. Very valid and interesting thing. And these are the versions was released. 1.0 1994, 1991 0.9 came, and different versions came. 2.x version now no support for that. Now everything is related to 3.x only, right? Okay, then after you have downloaded some software, sir, fine. How to install it? Just go to the downloads, wherever you install. I do one thing before this one. In my machine already I have a Python software. First I will remove that one. Why? Because you will get more clarity on this one. I'm just doing one activity. Hold on. Existing software I'm just uninstalling. No need to do anything this action on your machine. Even this software also you will get with today's recorded session.
sir, how to update the Python, sir? Actually, we already installed before 1 year.
I will come to that point, sir. Pip is a utility is there. I will explain it in multiple ways, not only one way up to upgrade.
Thank you.
Naga, I have one question. Is it open source? So is there official support available for Python?
Sorry, I'm not getting your question, sir. It is open source. Then
So official support, like any kind of support needed. So in this case, uh, do we get support for that? Any kind of issues like?
yes, sir, we can take it. Actually, there are two types of things are there. It's a free one. We can take that support also. Two things are there. By default, it is free. Yes, you can take the support also. But general statement is a free one, sir. Support is different one. Actually, two things are there. If it is a free, who will give the support? Yes, it is a one organization. It is first completely free. You can take the support from them also. You can take the support from there also. I will show you that
Okay.
option also, how to take the support. But one thing, one simple question. If anyone saying to you, is there any official exam for Python certification point?
No, I didn't hear that.
No idea about.
No, sir. There is no
Py-
certificate. Microsoft is doing Microsoft Python, Arc Python. This is just
Python
their
Institute.
own. That all are really there is no official certificate from the Python org. These all are the third party or other vendors or organizations. There is no certification from the Python org. Everyone is issuing the no certificate. That really there is no, even after this training. I'm not saying like big things, sir. 30% of this training you will get the any type of organization certificate, sir. Only 30% of knowledge. 30% only. I'm not saying 100 also. 30% with 30%, you will get the certification from this one. So the thing is, there is no official certificate from the Python org. That all are the different platforms like Arkil Python, sorry, Arkil Microsoft, like that. But there is no official certificate from the Python org. Okay, now this is a Python software.exe file. I am today explaining on the Windows operating system. Right click on this one, select option, right click on this software, run as administrator. Here you should not miss some steps. Okay, there are two options are there. First, see the screen. Install now, customize installation, and third some checkbox is there. First, select this checkbox. Otherwise, we have to go to the, if you miss here, environment variables we have to move. Sir, if you select the first one, automatically it will already selected the path. You can see users Lenovo, my system name. Otherwise, you can, this is a one shot, but I am suggesting to you, you can check the all options, select the customize installation. One question I received, how to upgrade, how to take the third party modules. We just received a answer. We have a 1.35 modules indirectly packages. Select this pip. You select all, sir, but select the pip is mandatory. But select all, you are no, we are not touching even single option. When we selected this screen from 1 to 2, 4 are selected. Don't disturb them. Next, what is the other option? Compiler download. Yes, not required. Leave it. These three. Just click on next. Install. Very simplest one, user friendly version. Finally, you will get a maximum length limit. Just you can observe that point. Why? Because in the sys module we are going to discuss that word.
Sir, why you not choose the first option, sir?
Sorry, sir, your voice is very low.
Uh, why you not choose first option, automatic one?
It's a free one, sir. There is no business mind behind it. I mean, mostly it is
Okay.
free. If you want to get the support, there is the same in the documentation only you can take the support, but it is a free. If it's a free, why we should take the subscription?
No, no,
For
no.
example,
I'm asking that there is two options. అక్కడ పైన టూ ఆప్షన్స్ కదా ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఎందుకు సిన్సియర్గా అడుగుతున్నాను మీరు కస్టమైజ్ చేశారు కదా ఇక్కడ
installation
దానికి
now
దీనికి
and
డిఫరెన్స్
simple, sir. If you select the first option, it won't ask even single option path pip directly it will install. One more time.
ఓకే
So he's asking when we install this one. For example, second time if I run this one, I won't get that option. Repair and remove that options I will get. Very first time, if I try to install, I receive two options. You are correct. What are the two options? What are the two options? First of all, install now and
Install
customize.
and customize.
Customize means customization. You can select the path, which one you want, where you want to install it. You can select your customization. Install now, all are default, no selection. Directly it will down, you will get the progress bar. Both are same only. But is what is the benefit customization? For example, you don't want to install in the C drive. You want to install in the E drive. If you have a one drive name E drive. Is it possible here? Is it possible here? No. Customization, you can choose the options. You can choose the options. That's fine. Install now directly you will get the software. There is no matter. And that is better also. But everything we have to see detailed. And see, after very installation time, you will get this one second time. Already the software is available. Do you want to modify, remove or anything? Actually not required. Everything. So already we installed that one. Already we installed that one. No, sir, I want to show that option also. Please let me learn the another option. Definitely we will go to that one. Before that one, you have to remove the Python software first of all from already just I installed and again I am deleting that one. Still it is not updated here. Now it is updated. No issue. One more time we will see. So previous whatever I did that now with the custom option, leave it. That is the best option. Okay, next one, sir. We are installing the Python software only. And very first screen, we are adding add path. Last option, we are selecting the right mode checkbox. And presently, this link is available in all the groups. Even those who are not registered, also they are also having the same link. But Wednesday onwards, tomorrow also this link is available. Wednesday onwards, only registered people means if you are part of WhatsApp group, of paid WhatsApp group, then only that person only it will they can use this one. So same link for today and tomorrow. There is no change. Evening also same link. For these 2 days, same link. Sir, every 2 days I am going to change the link. The answer is no. Usually, after this sort out, every 15 days, I will 15 days once I will change the link. Only starting time, no, that time, so we have to sort out the batch. For that, we are doing this type of activity. But regularly, every month you will get 2 links every 15 days. Hardly we will use 6 links, sir. Okay, close it. Now, sir, yes, if I rightly, your question is, if I select this one, first select this box. I'm selecting this one. Is it giving any option? Is it giving any
No,
option?
no.
That is a difference.
Sir, by default, all the things will be installed, sir, in background.
Yes, default one, all options it will give to you. There is no change, but customization will give to you more options comparing with this
Okay.
one. But default also fine. There is no change. Your required things will come. But anything we have to learn detailing. That is the best practice. Instead of default one, learn any component. Maybe first time it will take time. Second onwards, it is easy for us. Okay, when we install the software,
Sir, I have already downloaded 3.10, so can I update this to 3.11?
just download and upgrade it, sir. Yes. No need to
Okay.
remove that one, upgrade it. Okay. Sir, now come to the start button. Type Python. Type Python, start button. Only type Python after the installation. After the installation. Are you seeing any application? Python 3.11 64-bit app. Just click on that one. That's all, sir. This is your Python prompt. Greater than, greater than, greater than. Today, we are ignoring this message, line number 1. But very, very important, your compiler, interpreted version, installed time, everything is available in the single line. So what we can understand, Python 3.11.3 and some compiler, interpreter. We don't know what is the interpreter on Win32, which means not your Windows 32 bits, are your operating information. It is not your operating system information. It is your Python software information. So greater than, greater than, greater than. This is a Python prompt. You can increase the font size also here. If you come to right click on this one, properties, font, increase the font size. And same way again come to the properties, colors, background color, select the black. Yes. Again close it. Come back.
Another one
Type
question.
Python. Yes, sir.
When we completing the installation, then it is coming setup was successfully. Then one option is coming disable path length limit. Should we
Yes.
disable or
Just I
just close?
leave it, sir. The default limit I said just now only. You will get a one option maximum limit value. Leave it that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Even when you select the default installation, there is no thing. Simply you can leave it. But that word we are going to see in the sys module. Maximum limit value. See, I will show you. Python. This is a word you will get. Am I correct? This is a screen you are getting. Disable path length limit. Yes.
Yeah, Naga. Correct. On the same script.
So this screenshot is available. Don't worry. This one we will use. What is the reason for that limitation? That is a plan we have to learn. So you have to just store somewhere, or otherwise I have on my desktop. We will see practically, right? So this is a Python prompt, sir, but I don't know even single element. Then how can I start this journey? I want to get a expert level knowledge. Now just read the line, second line, type help or copyright, credits or license for more information. Here only there. Type something. If I type help, can I type? And one biggest statement I am going to explain here, your Python is a case sensitive or case insensitive. Case sensitive. I mean, small a is differ from capital A. Both are not same. Both are not same. A is not equal to small a is different, capital A is different. Case sensitive, that meaning. Both are different. So here also, while using help, don't write help. Some error. But same statement if I write in the capital letter, okay, you are typing help, but use these brackets also. We don't know anything, sir. We don't know anything. Just we installed. When I type the Python, I'm getting this one. See help. This word how I know? How I know? Here type. Don't type help. But here it is saying help only. When I take the help, hey, use the brackets. See, I'm getting the prompt is completely changed. The prompt is completely changed. See, again, what I can do? Help is saying to you, hi Naga, I can do modules. I will give the information about keywords, symbols, topics, modules, keywords. Just to type the word. Modules. That's all. Your modules will come. That's all. We are not doing anything, sir. Same help document we are following. Total available modules it is giving. Again, close it. Exit, sir. Exit function. Remember one thing. Python is a famous. So many inbuilt modules are there. If I use anything if I use, then after if I use the brackets after that one, like I will upgrade help after I use the brackets. Anything in help area you may have XYZ. Simply you can call that is a function. What is a function? It is also program. Some code is defined for that. Some code was defined for that already. Brackets are there ending with call the function. At this point we have to consider that word. Sir, now I don't know this help and I don't know how to read this document also. Even you selected the blue color screen just now. Even I don't know this one. Even I don't know this help word also. I cannot read this one. Then how to start the journey? Simple. So in Python software, there are 6 important basic things are required. The first one is you can consider in your school as ABCD is there now, A to Z is there. To learn the English, you need 26 characters. But to learn the Python, 6 characters is enough. The first one I am introducing what it is secondary. What it does, that is also secondary. But take the names. How to start our journey. All these are the functions only. These 6 are enough to start our journey. But before that one, every 6 out of the 6, what it does, that is now whatever I said just now secondary, we need to learn. We are 0. Just to remember that word. Coming 1 week, we are completely 0 in Python. We don't know. We don't know anything. What we did today, just we install the software. And these are the basic things to start the Python journey. What is a dir? How to use it? where to use it. Everything here only, sir. We have to just learn it. And if you type something IDLE, you will get something. Integrated Development Language Environment. There is a, when you install the Python software, just now we installed, na, it will give to you one more console. See, if I click on enter button, you will get the same greater than same help document only. There is no single line difference. So what is this one? How to use it? I'm not introducing now. Today we are seeing this one. So in tomorrow's session, first we have to learn what is this 6 and how to use them. Then how to start our journey. First concept I am going to introduce after this one, variables. Next one, data types. 14 data types. If you good at this area, you are the expert. Why? Because any output is coming from these 14 data types only. 14 data types only. So tomorrow plan is the 6 functions utility, and then we will, if possible, I will start the variable concept. Right? That's all for today. And you don't worry about the recorded session. First 2 to 3 days, you will get the recorded session video link in that group. No need to send any mail ID. Don't forward any mail ID at this point. After 2 to 3 days, I will collect from the WhatsApp group. Today, you will get the session drive link. Only one suggestion from my end for today. Be ready with the lab setup. If you're getting any issue in the lab setup, please send that error screenshot to my WhatsApp number. I will interact with you. Thank you. We will meet tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Hello.
much.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir,
Thank you very
resolution
much.
for the visible length.
Thank you, Naga.
Sorry, please. No, I am not getting your word. Please repeat.
Sir, resolution for that disable length in the installation.
Leave it, sir. Don't touch that option. Leave it. Close it. Simply close it.
Okay.
You are getting, just close it.
Okay.
I mean, that word will useful upcoming sessions. That's why I said please remember that word. But that is upcoming word in the sys module. That's why I remembered that point. No, leave it that one. Even when you select the default installation, you won't get that option.